Joshua, you know that there's another one, right? Joshua, where's the pink one? Go get the other one. It's right in front of you. Yeah. See, Ella's showing you. Where's the other one? Can you bring it over for him? Go get the other one for him. Can you give it to Josh? Thank you. That was very sweet. Give it to Josh. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. No, you were supposed to give that one to Josh. Josh, go take the other one. Josh, do you see the other one? It's over. It's right there.